How to create reusable percentage counter in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Set duration to 3 seconds and 10 frames and frame rate to 30. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Add a background and a rectangle mask, connect them to each other and to Media Out. Select the background and change its color. Select the rectangle and decrease its height to get a narrow line. Add a Text Plus node and connect it to the output of background to merge it. Right-click on the text and choose Edit Controls. Set the name to counter with capital C. Set type to number, set page to text, range from 0 to 100. Check the integer checkbox and set default to 0. Change input control to slider control and click OK. Now we have this counter property in the text tab of this Text Plus node. Right-click on it and choose Modify with Anim Curves. Now this counter value changes from 0 to 100 as the playhead moves forward in the composition. Right-click on the text area and choose Expression. Connect this plus button to the counter property. In the expression text box, after counter press spacebar, 2 dots, spacebar again, and type the text you want in the quotation marks. Now go back to Edit page and drag the composition into Timeline. The good thing about this counter is that it is reusable, and you can resize it to anything you like.